Hello, my name's Ian LeBeau and I've been a lecturer here at London Met for a very long time now, about 20 years. I'm going to talk a little bit about the student experience. By this, I mean, what kind of experience will you have if you decide to study with us? More specifically, I'd like to describe the kind of experience I want my students to have in my classes. Let's imagine you're a student who's just joined my class. The first thing I'll do is try to make you feel comfortable in my class. You may be a long way from home, but I'll try to make you feel at home. This is important because you can't learn or speak English if you're nervous. So I won't ask you any difficult questions in your first class. In fact, I may not ask you any questions at all. I'll just let you speak if you want to. It's important to feel comfortable because one of the things you need to do to learn a language is to take a few risks. And it's easier to do that if you feel comfortable. So imagine you're in my class here and you want to say something to me and to your classmates, but you're not sure if it's good English. This is when you need to take a risk. Try to say what you're thinking. Have a go. Test it out. Sometimes you'll be right, and that's great. Sometimes you may be wrong. Never mind. I'll correct you in a nice way, you learn, and we move on. Like this, we can build your confidence. And actually, this is one of the things many of our students say about their experience with us, that we really helped them to build their confidence. I said a moment ago that I won't ask you any difficult questions in the first class. That's true. But later on, when you feel relaxed and confident, I will ask you some difficult questions in class. And that's because it's also important for you to be challenged. My students know that my favorite question is why? Why do you think this? Why is that a good idea? Why is that important? So if you come here, you can expect me to ask you why. This is because I think part of my job as a teacher is to challenge you to think more and to think more deeply and to think how you're going to express your ideas in good English. Don't worry, I'm sure you'll be able to answer. And that will also increase your confidence and your fluency. So let's try to summarize the experience I want my students to have in my class. I want them to feel comfortable and relaxed, to feel at home. I'd like them to take some risks with the language. I want them to be challenged. In this way, I can help them build their confidence and their fluency in English.